Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to add shortcut to the lock screen in a Google Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL, and any other Pixel device running the latest Android 16 version. This is my Google Pixel 10 device. Now, when you lock your phone, you can see the left app shortcut or right app shortcut on your device. If you want to change this app shortcut or hide it or remove it from the lock screen, follow this tutorial. So first of all, unlock your Pixel device. Now tap and hold the blank space on the home screen. Tap on the wallpaper and style. Now here swipe screen to see the lock screen option. Now swipe up and you can find the shortcut option here. Tap on it. Here you can see the left shortcut option, the right shortcut option. In the left shortcut you can see different option: no, do not disturb, mute, torch, camera, home, QR code scanner and video camera. So in left shortcut we select the mute option. Now we tap on the right shortcut. In the right shortcut, we set the QR code scanner. Now tap on the apply button at the top right corner to apply it. So tap on the apply at the top right corner. Now apply. Now lock your phone and you can see change the shortcut to mute, left shortcut or right shortcut as a QR code. So quite easy to apply the shortcut to the lock screen on your Pixel 10 series. That's it. If you like it, share it or hype this if you like this video. Thank you for watching this.